Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a useful browser extension that help you find which websites are using too much battery, CPU and system resources and RAM. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser. Here you will search for RAM usage and memory stats. Click add to Chrome. I will already added it. I will remove and add it back. Add to Chrome, then add extension. Now you will see it show you how to use it. So firstly go to puzzle icon, then mark it as pin. Now you open websites, like I am opening 2 or 3 websites to showing you that how much RAM it can used. Now click on this icon. Here you will see it will start loading, and now you will see total 4 tabs open, 293.5 MB used, and the most memory used by these two. Like if you are download anything or using the YouTube or ask ChatGPT anything, then it will more RAM utilized. Like this, if you want to clean up of memory, just click on clean up, and here you will see it will be cleaned easily, and all your memory will be zero again. That's it. You will see which app will consume more memory. You can click on cross to close it. This is really useful for student office work, online classes, multitasking users. You will get smoother browsing, lower RAM usage and better battery backup. Try this extension and let me know which website uses the most battery on your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.